Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane. The postcode here for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789763432. Just a couple of things, if I may. Please like and subscribe to our videos, and also please leave any comments. We will endeavour to maybe respond to them. I'm going to show you around this 2010 Eriba Puck 230L. It's a recent part exchange, and in fact these people have just purchased a new Eriba from us. So it's two colours, as you can see. It's two-tone, or silver grey over white, or white over silver grey. And just to point out, it does come with a motor mover. You've got access to the space under the kitchen in the corner, and you've also got access to the space under the lounge seats, and that's useful to access things like a pair of walking boots, trainers, etc. It does come with a Winthrop stabiliser. And this lifts up nice and high to access your gas bottles. If you've not seen the Eribas before, the table you can pop on this fixing here for your al fresco eating. And I'll show you around the interior. So, it's actually a really nice place to be, given that it's a super small, compact, lightweight caravan. Firstly, the lounge area here gives us plenty of seating for, I'd say, 6. You probably even squeeze in 8 people. It's 2 single beds, or even a generous double bed. You have got fly screens for when you've got the windows open in the summer months to prevent the dare I say, the insects getting in, and in the evenings you have got your night screens. Pop-up roof, obviously, as per the Eribas. You've got this wooden effect flooring, which is very practical, and it's easy to clean. So the Eriba then, this particular model, features this L-shaped kitchen on the back, double doors to the wardrobing, heating unit, sink unit, 2-burner hob, and a fridge. There you go. It's an Eriba Puck. It's available to view at Broadlane. We offer great part exchange. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much.